On Chevy Cruz 2015, I just replaced mass airflow sensor as part of preventive maintenance, and I mentioned that if you subscribe to my channel you'll be able to see that video in next video, which is about MAP sensor that I'm going to replace as part of preventive maintenance too. And the MAP sensor stands for Manifold Absolute Pressure, which I believe will on 180,000 miles improve the overall performance. So let's see what it takes. Part original from GM. To take part out, there is an electrical clip that we need to slide off, and there is screw that I think it is T30 star that we need to take out. It's only one. This is the tool I need to use to slide this electrical connector. I just need to pull it down. There was a clip, but so for some previous times it broke. We need to press it down and it will release the clip here, and we didn't hear it, but I think it will be no problem. So that's how we take this off, and now I'm going to take that screw out. It is a little tight space, but it is not hard to loosen it up and take it out. Once screw is loose and a little bit out, it can be taken by hand. It's a pretty long screw, and it is good to have patience to take it out. To pull out sensor is very easy. You just need to be careful not to lose it down, and it's only one O-ring holding it down. Again, it's good to compare parts. They've been upside down, but they are looking the same. And the number is 261230282. Same on old one, 261230282. So I got good parts. Let's just put it back in, and that will be it. To put it back, we just need to position it right and push it in to have that O-ring to snap in, and adjust it for the screw hole. And it was not so hard to position it right, because it looks like it has a little spot to fit in. It doesn't need to be too tight, just snag to hold it in place and not to break it. And we need to put this electrical connector back, and it will be snugly fitting on. It will not click because there is no tab, but I'm pretty sure this will hold well. I'll check a couple of times just to make sure it's there, but this rubber is holding it in place and will not go anywhere. So that's all it takes to change MAP sensor. As I said, preventive maintenance. I believe this will help on all this high mileage. And if you will have any questions or comments, I will answer them gladly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps somebody.